2 किलो म्हणजे टोटल 330 किलोमीटर. We all live in an era where innovation is one thing which we see every day. And I am so glad to today introduce you world's first CNG motorcycle, that too made in India by Bajaj. Here is the bike, and I'm so impressed with this machine. I really want to talk so much about this bike in this video. So here I am riding this machine. I'm very impressed with the response I am getting from this machine. तो ये मशीन तो है कम्यूटर और इसे हम टेस्ट करेंगे एक कम्यूटर की तरह ही. So I'm going to take this machine in crowded area. Then I'm also going to experience about filling CNG. How is my overall experience? बहुत लाइट वेट और रिलायबल बाइक लग रही है मुझे अब तक. आई थिंक दिस बाइक इज़ गोइंग टू बी गेम चेंजर फॉर मैक्सिमम पीपल. एक कम्यूटर को हर किस्म के रोड से जाना पड़ता है. I always say that Pune becomes very, very, very pretty in monsoons. Not just Pune, entire Maharashtra. These shades of green has my heart. So when we talk about CNG, we definitely talk about efficiency. So from petrol and diesel car moved from CNG. But this is the first bike which uses CNG. It claims that 50% of efficiency is increased with respect to its mileage. And now you know this bike is a hybrid bike. Here when I tell hybrid, it gives you 2-liter tank and 2 kg of CNG. This will give you around 330 kilometers range, and which is really, really huge. Let's talk more about this honest bike and its features. This bike has 5-gear transmission, and you will see one feature which I felt really good, that its foot peg are a little broader, as well as the levers, it has a flat pad which definitely give you a better grip on this bike. When I say it's an honest bike, I also want to tell you that its design is very compact. So when you see the tank, it is wraparound tank. It is on the right side, which will give you capacity of 2 liters, and it is properly placed so that this bike doesn't become bulky. As well as it has telescopic suspension, plus it gives a monoshock at the rear. This is definitely going to help when you are using it in a different terrain, just like where I am right now. And there were many potholes, rough roads, as well as normal roads. I should also talk about its other features. So now this bike has Bluetooth connectivity, which is again impressive. You can also take phone call with just a button, and you also have a charging point. Now can you just think that how game changer this bike is going to be in Indian market when it is targeting commuters and giving so many features with this beautiful machine? It's really going to be a game changer. So when I talk that this machine is hybrid, you know what? With just one button, you can shift to CNG and petrol. Let's talk about design element of this bike. When I say about design element, you can see that they have given a very long seat, and below this is the CNG cylinder. Next, you will see that it has 4 protectors, headlight protectors, as well as it has a underbelly pan. Now when I talk about this bike, Bajaj is positioning this bike as a commuter's bike. When we talk about commuter's bike, the main important part is about efficiency as well as durability of the bike. When this bike was announced, I thought it will be normal box type bike which will not have any features or something like that. But I am really impressed with the entire design as well as the way it looks and way it feels. Now the main question, how much is this bike going to cost? So price is really amazing as the bike, that is 95,000 is the starting price. Then second model is for 1,05,000 and the last and the topmost model is 1,10,000 ex showroom. Now let me talk about my riding experience. So while coming here, I rode this bike. I took this bike on rough road, then into the traffic, as well as later when I came here, there was no road. It was pothole, rain, water, and mud. This bike was really perfect on that road, and my experience was very good. This bike is not heavy, as well as the position of this handlebar allows you to sit upright. Now let's talk about that this machine is for whom. When Bajaj is actually positioning it for commuters, when I say commuters, then this bike is for everyone. This bike could be your daily use bike or it could be a secondary bike in your garage. Now this bike is going to be game changer, as it is actually for people, or I feel the delivery people who are using various mopeds or any other bike. This bike is definitely going to change the game for them. Now if you have observed, in some food delivery or grocery delivery apps, there is an option to have a green ride where you will have to spend more 10 to 15 minutes to get your products. But I feel when this option is available for them, definitely the entire experience is going to be different and faster, plus it's going to be greener. And what else is better than going green? So this CNG bike is definitely for all the commuters in the city or in the rural area. Now let's go and try to fill CNG in this bike, and I'll be sharing my experience with you all, that how did I feel at CNG petrol pump. Everyone are going to be surprised to see a bike and not car, and I'm really excited to just go and experience filling CNG in this bike. So now let's go and experience CNG pump. Okay. So now I'm heading towards CNG petrol pump to just experience how does it feel and how much time it takes. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि CNG पेट्रोल पंप पे बहुत रश होता है. Let's see बाइक को कितना टाइम लगता है. Definitely there is no separate line for bikes, but I want to also see reaction of people there. So here is the first struggle. CNG. तिथून येऊ? इथेच आहे. हां हां हेच आहे. ते 0 नाही केलं. अच्छा ओके. नाही मी फर्स्ट टाइम म्हणून माहीत नाही मला. 2 किलो. ह्याच्यावरती 204 किलोमीटर आणि पेट्रोल पण आहे त्याच्यावरती 120-130 किलोमीटर, म्हणजे टोटल 330 किलोमीटर. किती बसलं ह्याच्यामध्ये? अच्छा ठीक आहे. 85 रुपीज. आणि CNGचं काय रेट आहे? हे टाईट करायचं नाही करायचं? 125 ॲव्हरेज. एका रिफिलमध्ये 205. एक 10. ही टॉप आहे. धन्यवाद. चला थँक्यू. So everyone are astonished to see a CNG bike here. I think सब लोगों ने आकर देखा है. And yes, India is ready for CNG vehicle. और ये रही बाइक. So just 85 रुपीज़ में रिफ़िल हो गया मेरा CNG टैंक, और पेट्रोल टैंक तो अब तक जैसा है वैसा ही है. So I'm really happy with entire performance. Now let's go back and talk more about this bike. जैसे ही CNG रिफ़िल किया, DTE आ गया है 200 किलोमीटर्स अबाउट CNG. Now you'll say that I have talked about features, I've talked about price and models, but what about safety? So you be rest assured, because Bajaj has done its extensive testing, may it be running over by a truck, crash test and 11 different tests, and it has passed all the tests. So if you're worried about how CNG is going to act when it is on bike or in heat or in the crash, then don't worry about it, because all those testings are done and then only this machine is launched. We all know that Bajaj is one company which definitely thinks more about its consumer and bring latest innovative products for their consumer. Now one very important thing, Bajaj has filed patent about this machine in 7 different countries, and definitely this machine is worth patent, because this R&D team has worked day and night to bring this machine to make CNG reality for motorcyclists. Let's talk about things that could have been better. So why not to have a better bike than whatever they have made? I just feel that there is one small thing which could have been better, but definitely it would have increased the price, and that is braking. Now this has a disc and drum brake in various models. I feel that ABS is very important in all the machines, though our law says that under 125cc or 125cc bike doesn't require ABS. But if Bajaj would have spent a little more and price could have been a little more by few thousand, and they could have given ABS, then that would have been cherry on the top. But I'm sure that new models which will be coming in upcoming years will have ABS for sure. Now next point which I feel is about the range, because still CNG connectivity in our nation is not that great when we consider rural area. They need to travel almost 60-70 kilometers to get the CNG cylinder fill. When we talk about 2 kg CNG cylinder, then that could be one small issue, or a decision making factor for people who are planning to buy this bike in rural area. But I'm sure that CNG pumps are increasing day by day, and this problem will also be solved. I hope you must have enjoyed this video and loved this amazing machine, which has really impressed me in many ways. And congratulations to Bajaj for launching first CNG motorcycle in this world. Now, if you like this video, definitely leave a comment for me. You all know that I present a review which is based on my experience. If you want to know any technical details, you can go and read description for all the details. And you can also ask me questions in comment. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I'm sure that you are also going to love this machine. You can share it with your friends who want to know more about this machine. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and take care. वाचलं का याच्याबद्दल बाईकबद्दल? 300 किलोमीटरवरती जाते, म्हणजे पेट्रोल 2 लिटर आणि 2 किलो CNG दोन्ही मिळून 330 पर्यंत जाते आरामात.